name is Jasmine Johnson, and I am the Upward Bound Director here at Miami-Dade College Homestead campus and a T3 Alliance T3 member. I know that we have programs in Maui. I know we have programs in Micronesia. I know we have programs in Puerto Rico and in Maine and Montana and Alaska, and there's so many states on and on and on that have had students impacted by this T3 program and the T3 mission. And I know that here in my own students, they have been significantly impacted in their ability to think about their ability to solve problems.
So within the T3 program, we like to say there's a pipeline for a community to move from a community towards a T3 community. And that starts with finding an administrator, finding an educator, and then of course learners come along with them. And that important in the process of building a T3 program is making sure that you invite both the administration and the educators to a training to start having a deep understanding of what it means to create a safe learning environment, what it means to facilitate community engagement, and what it means to allow students to build their capacity to address problems within the community.
Here in my own students, they have been significantly impacted in their ability to think about their ability to solve problems. And so they come out more empowered and more resolute in their ability to solve community needs. And that's one of the reasons why I have signed on to be on the T3 Advisory Board to kind of guide this initiative to reach more students.